Biomolecules are the essential building blocks of all living organisms. They are molecules that are produced by living cells and are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These elements are arranged in a specific manner to form various biomolecules. Biomolecules are responsible for carrying out all the vital functions of life, such as growth, development, metabolism, and reproduction. They form the structural components of cells and tissues, act as enzymes to catalyze biochemical reactions, and store and transmit genetic information. The study of biomolecules is essential to understanding the complexity of life. By understanding the structure and function of biomolecules, we can gain insights into the mechanisms of diseases, develop new drugs and therapies, and engineer organisms with enhanced properties. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the different types of biomolecules, their properties, and their roles in living organisms. Biomolecules are broadly classified into four main types: carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and proteins. Each type of biomolecule has a unique structure and function. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms in a ratio of 1:2:1. They are the primary source of energy for living organisms. Carbohydrates are further classified into monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules that are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. They are important components of cell membranes, act as energy storage molecules, and serve as signaling molecules. Lipids include fats, oils, waxes, phospholipids, and steroids. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides, which are composed of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. They store and transmit genetic information. There are two types of nucleic acids: deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, and ribonucleic acid, or RNA. Proteins are polymers of amino acids. They are the most diverse class of biomolecules and perform a wide range of functions, including catalysis, transport, defense, and regulation. Proteins have complex three-dimensional structures that are essential for their function. Biomolecules can also be classified as inorganic or organic based on the presence of carbon atoms. Inorganic biomolecules do not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds, while organic biomolecules do. Inorganic biomolecules include water, minerals, and gases. Water is the most abundant inorganic molecule in living organisms and is essential for various biological processes. Minerals such as calcium, iron, and sodium play important roles in enzyme activity, cell signaling, and maintaining osmotic balance. Gases, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, are involved in respiration and photosynthesis. Organic biomolecules are much more diverse than inorganic biomolecules. They include carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and proteins, as discussed earlier. These molecules can be further classified based on their functional groups, such as aldehydes, ketones, aromatic compounds, amino acids, nucleotides, and fatty acids. For example, glucose is an example of an aldehyde, fructose is a ketone, and benzene is an aromatic compound. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acids, and fatty acids are the building blocks of lipids. Biomolecules are essential for life as we know it. They are the fundamental building blocks of cells and tissues, and they carry out all the vital functions necessary for life. Without biomolecules, life would not be possible. Carbohydrates provide the energy that cells need to function. Lipids form the structural components of cell membranes and store energy. Nucleic acids store and transmit genetic information, ensuring the continuity of life. Proteins carry out a wide range of functions, including catalysis, transport, defense, and regulation. The study of biomolecules is crucial for understanding the complexity of living organisms. By understanding the structure and function of biomolecules, we can develop new drugs and therapies to combat diseases. We can also engineer organisms with enhanced properties, such as increased crop yield or improved disease resistance. In conclusion, biomolecules are the foundation of life. Their diverse structures and functions are essential for all living organisms. By studying biomolecules, we can gain a deeper understanding of life and develop new ways to improve human health and the environment.